I often say to women in Nigeria that the knowledge of cooking does not come pre-installed in a vagina. And so the idea being that domestic skills are learned. Anybody can learn them. And if we raise boys very early on to know that this is expected of them, not something they do to get praise, not something they do when it's cute, but just something they do. I've seen many progressive families where because the boy has cleaned his room, he gets excessive praise. That idea that a boy cleans his room and he gets praise. Why? I think that we should raise boys to know that we expect domestic abilities from them.